my channel. I'm Wondering Nancy and I do hotel reviews all around the world. I give the most authentic feedback based on my own stay experience. So in today's video, I'm going to have a hotel review on Waldorf Astoria, Versailles in France. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but it's really hard to pronounce French. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and in the following weeks, I'm having more fantastic hotel reviews on schedule. Thank you for your support. Now let's get started. Yeah. No, that's all good. Thank you. Hi guys, we've already checked in and our room number is 222. So this bathroom is pretty big. We've got our bed here, and with all our toiletries here, 2 mirrors, 2 basins, and all those toiletries products are from ASO. It's an Australian brand. It is also one of my favorite brands. We've got some tubs here. On my left side is a very big bathtub. Next to the bathtub, we've got a separate toilet here. Then here we got a separate shower room. We've got a flexible shower head and a rain shower head over the top. There's no extra toiletries right here. Behind this door, we got 2 bathrobes and 2 slippers. Okay, just 2 more things. This floor is beautifully designed in a rose shape, so it's quite pretty. And another thing is it's geothermal, so it is very warm, yeah, which makes it feel so good in this winter. Then come outside the bathroom. The first thing we see is this walk-in desk. We've got a telephone here and our complimentary water. And here we got a QR code for the in-room dining menu. Some charging sockets over the wall. And here we got this lovely mini bar session. We got some complimentary coffee capsules here from Nespresso machine, and here are some mugs and some complimentary tea, and we got this kettle here, the mini fridge. For some reason, I don't think I can open it. So it says automatic refreshment center. It's a king size bed. It's very, very big and it's very comfy. We've got 4 pillows. The pillows are quite soft, very, very comfortable. And on each of the side, we got a beautiful line and a reading lamp right here. And we've got a Bluetooth speaker right here with a charging socket. On my left side here is the 2 comfy sofa and a coffee table and some complimentary snacks. And here we've got a TV right in front of the bed. It's really cold actually. I know, quite windy. The buildings right in front of me, those ones are the 4-star hotels. It's called the Pavilion. Our current building, which our room is located, this one is called the Palace. So it's a 5-star hotel in our building, and that building is 4 stars. And down there, you can see there's a bar right there. That's pretty much about this room tour, and later on we're gonna go to the restaurant to enjoy the French cuisine, and I'm very, very looking forward to it. Yeah, we will show you later. Hey guys, it's time to wrap up. So I just want to give you a quick summary on my feelings for staying with this hotel. This is my first time ever to stay with a Waldorf hotel. I have to say it was so good. It was definitely beyond my expectations. The room is really beautiful and spacious, and the location is quite good in the city because it's really close to the palace. It will take about 10 minutes walk to the palace if you want to get into the building. However, if you just want to go to the garden, it is just next to the door. Within 2 minutes walk, you can just get to the garden. So it is really convenient. I don't think I need to say too much about its beauty because it's really beautiful. And it's with a lot of history. It has gone through the World War I and World War II, and the toiletries, the brand ASO brings me back to Australia because I really love this brand, and I myself use a lot of the things from ASO brands as well. The breakfast buffet was quite good, even though I don't think the options are a lot, but the food quality is superb. The coffee tastes a little bit different from Australian coffee, and then flat white and cappuccino looks slightly different, but yeah, it's French style, isn't it? Yeah, I really don't have anything to complain and any lowlights to point out for staying with this hotel. So I'd like to talk about my membership benefits as a Hilton Diamond, and we've also used the FHR program. So our room has been upgraded to a suite, and we've got early check-in yesterday. Also, we've got 2 complimentary drinks, and we've got 2 complimentary breakfast buffet. The guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout is provided. We don't need this time. As one of the benefits from FHR program, we got a $100 food and beverage credit, and we've used that in the restaurant last night. In addition to those benefits, we've also received a complimentary amenity as a benefit from the FHR program. So overall, it was very nice stay here, and I wish I could stay longer. I know I've said that before in a previous video, but you know, there are too many wonderful and fantastic hotels in this world. I couldn't wait to explore all of them. I am already very lucky to stay with those amazing hotels. If you are also a hotel lovers like me, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I've got so many fantastic hotels on schedule. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.